Be careful with that.
Oh.
What does 2 to the 7th mean?
2 times 2.
Yeah, you got 7 2s, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 2 to the 4th means I got 4 of them. If you've got the same thing in a fraction on the top and the bottom, what happens? They cancel each other out, don't they? 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 1 times 1 is still 1. What do you got left?
2 times 2 times 2.
2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 to the 3rd. I don't call it, the book is going to talk about it being the quotient rule, and you can subtract. But here's the issue. What if the 4 was on the top and the 7's on the bottom? If you subtract, what's 4 minus 7?
-3.
-3. But your directions are going to say write your answer as a positive exponent only.
Let's remove the negative.
No,
Oh.
I got 4 of them on the top and 7 of them on the bottom. These are still going to cancel. I still got 3 of them left, but where are they?
On the bottom.
They're on the bottom. You see where the issue is?
Yes. No.
So I don't call it canceling out or subtracting. I think of it as canceling. My 4 here on the top are going to cancel out with 4 of them on the bottom and leave me 3 left over in the bottom. Over here, my 4 in the bottom are going to cancel with 4 of them in the top and leave me 3 left over in the top. If you want to think of it as subtraction, great. But you're going to see there's a big old issue with that here in a minute when we get to the next page. What if you got letters and numbers involved?
You cancel out those as well.
Like number 40. -36.
X to the 2nd power, y to the 5th power of over 24xy to the 4th power.
What have I got going on here?
A lot of numbers.
I got numbers, I got X's, and I got Y's.
Do you cancel out the y?
Can we handle them separately?
I mean, yeah.
Can you handle that? -36 over 24.
Yes.
You could reduce that, right? What goes into both?
2.
Does it go farther?
3.
How about 12? Just to speed things up. -3 over 2. Agreed? Then let's do the X's. I got 1 in the bottom. That 1 in the bottom is going to cancel out with 1 of them. Going to leave me what?
X.
1 X left. Then let's look at our Y's.
1.
4 of them in the bottom are going to cancel out with 4 of them in the top and leave me with
1 Y.
1 left over in the top. Or just Y.
Wow.
Can you put them back together?
Yes.
-3 over 2 X, Y. I'm just handling them separately. Do my numbers, do my X's, do my Y's. Boom, done.
Can we do that? Can we do the same problem of reversing the exponents?
Sure. In fact, we'll do a completely different problem with different exponents. Because what if we had something like this? Oh, how about 21 x to the 8th, y to the 2nd, and 7 x to the 2nd, y to the 5th, on the bottom.
I wanted to like have the x squared at the top and the 8x on the bottom.
Oh, the
So where you can't subtract it.
Oh, you mean like your y squared on the top and y to the fifth on the bottom?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna show you both. I wanted to put them both in there,
Okay.
handle them separately. 21/7 is gonna reduce to 3, right? Is it gonna be in the top or the bottom? Gonna be on the top. Well, it's equal to 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
Can you write a whole number as a fraction over 1?
Mm-hmm.
I'll show you why I'm doing that.
Mm-hmm.
If I look at my x's, 8 x's, 2 on the bottom, 8 on the top, the 2 of them can cancel, and I'm now left with 6 left. Where? Top or bottom? In the top. The y's, I got 2 in the top and 5 in the bottom. My 2's cancel with leaving me 3 left in the top or in the bottom.
Bottom.
In the bottom. So now when I put all this together, what have I got left in the top? The 3 and x to the 6. What have I got left in the bottom?
A 1.
Y to the 3rd.
Yeah.
If you think of it like canceling, and then you don't have to worry about any subtraction stuff. Because what you're gonna find, a lot of your directions say, write your answer as a positive exponents only. Yes, ma'am.
If we write in on the homework, so I'm assuming you won't mark it wrong if we put the 1 for like the 1/3y, if we write the 1 in, would the homework count that wrong?
I don't think so. If you put the 1 in here, is it a big deal? No, it's not a big deal.
It's an invisible one.
It's one time, it should be there, but we were lazy, we don't do it. Talked about that other stuff. Oh, hey, anybody recognize, number 51? Because I think we talked about this way back in the day.
I don't remember that.